Twitter is an amazingly powerful tool for generating relationships, making money online, and finding massive opportunity. And apparently it's also great for getting a ton of email signups for free. Let me walk you through exactly how we did it. This video is brought to you by Tweet Hunter. Build a Twitter audience that gets you users, subscribers, clients, and sales in just 10 minutes a day. But more about them in a second. So I'm a huge fan of Twitter. In the last 9 months, we've gained around 30,000 followers on here, and I like to post about cold email and other tips. One of the people that I follow is JK Molina, a Twitter ghostwriter, and he posted this on his feed. These 3 people got hundreds of emails with one tweet. Just one. Retweet this and I'll show you how for free. This may be too powerful and might be limited soon by Twitter. Retweet while you can. So I retweeted it and JK sent me a link to Tweet Hunter. So I went through to Tweet Hunter and basically what JK said to do is log into the account, type a tweet right here, and then in advanced options, you can click auto DM, retweet, and like. And then you can write whatever you want down here. And then if somebody retweets and likes the tweet, they get your message. But that left a big glaring hole here. I didn't know what to write. JK Molina had blurred this tweet. But lucky for me, up here in the top bar, there is media. And if you go back in his media, there's the unblurred tweet. Hello friends, retweet and like this tweet and I will auto DM you 7 videos on how to scrape email addresses. Must be following me. Interesting. So I went over to Tweet Hunter and wrote my own version of that tweet. Hey, need a contract template? Retweet and like this tweet, and I'll send you a 1-page contract that has landed us tens of thousands in service business deals. Must be following me. Then I typed in the DM content, hit tweet now, reviewed the tweet, and posted it. A few days later, I woke up to this. The tweet had 235 retweets, 7 quote tweets, and 291 likes. Each one of those people received the link in their DMs. That link went to this landing page, which in order to download the contract, they had to put in their name and email address. This seemed too good to be true, so I went to our lead pages to check our analytics. And lo and behold, there's the spike from Twitter, where we got 246 conversions, then 125 the next day, then 31 the next day. This worked so well that I reached out to Thibaut, the founder of Tweet Hunter, and got him to sponsor this video so I could share the story with you. So now let's move into the part of the video that's an ad for Tweet Hunter. Besides doing what we just showed, which allows you to get unlimited email signups off of Twitter, it also has daily AI written tweets that you can immediately publish, the ability to rewrite any tweet you like, new thread ideas, thread hooks. It also allows you to pick up your thread where you left off and an AI will complete the rest. So you just write the hook and AI fills in the rest. It allows you to schedule and automate and has advanced Twitter analytics. And because Tweet Hunter worked so well for me, I partnered with them to give you a discount code. If you want 50% off of your Tweet Hunter membership in the first month, use the promo code ALEX50. And if you have less than 1,000 followers, you automatically get a $20 discount on the growth plan. So go ahead and sign up for Tweet Hunter at the link down below. And if you want to start taking Twitter seriously and getting actual clients and growing your business on Twitter, then check out Twitter 10K, which you can get at twitter10k.com. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.